All my social media contacts are below, so please do check it out and connect with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as well. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you guys a nice, beautiful, soft look, and I just can't wait to show it to you guys, so let's get started. So first things first, I'm going to tie my hair back with a rubber band. So now I'm going to use an alcohol wipe. I already washed my hands, but it's always good to just make sure your hands are clean. The first product I'm going to use today is a NYX foundation. It's Cappuccino is the color for me. It's up to 24 hours matte, and it's Can't Stop, Won't Stop, full coverage foundation, and I'm going to test it out today. I have used it a few times already, which is great, and I do like it so far. There is some pluses and some negatives, I would say, as well. I notice if it's really hot outside, sometimes if I will come home, there's little like cracks or like flakes, and I do not like that at all. So I prefer using this foundation when it's cold outside, when it's winter or fall, because I noticed it doesn't really do that at all. So during the summertime, I'm definitely using a different foundation. During wintertime, I'll use this product sometimes. But yeah, I'll show you guys how it looks. So I'm gonna use one of my brushes today. And let's do it up. It's a really nice color. Put a little bit more. I like applying foundation on one side and the next cheek and then the forehead and so forth, just because I don't want the foundation to dry up on my skin. I like doing each part separately. I'm gonna apply some to my chin and my nose. But I do have to say, putting on this foundation, I feel that it's on my face. You know how some foundations, it's really light, and this is a full coverage foundation. I'm gonna do my forehead. To apply a little bit more. Definitely looks better when your face and your neck is the same color. It's not something I would be doing on a regular, like every day. But for today, I will do this. I have my foundation applied on my face. It's really nice, Cappuccino, like I told you before. All right, so my next product is gonna be concealer. This is from Maybelline, New York. It's a 55 Hazelnut, and I use a lot of it, so I'm just trying to scrape the little last bits of it. All right, so I'm gonna put it under my eyes. Put it on any areas that I want to cover. I applied my concealer, as you can see. Okay, so I wet my beauty blender just to blend out my concealer on my face. And obviously you could get it in the creases much better than a brush. I finished putting on my foundation from NYX and my concealer from Maybelline, New York. And the next step I'm going to do is use a little wipe for my eyebrows. I don't like seeing any foundation on my eyebrows, and I find it gets on my eyebrows after I do it. So I'm gonna use a Olay wipe, and it's pretty good. Get this from Shoppers Drug Mart, and it's an amazing product. I'm using Olay wipes for a few years now, and I really like it. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean my eyebrows a little bit. And I can see my eyebrows a lot better right now because there's no concealer on it or makeup. So it's great. The next step, I'm going to use an eyebrow pencil. It's almost finished. This is something I use constantly on a daily basis. This brand is Marcelle, and it's brunette. It is getting smaller and smaller by the minute. Anyways, I'm gonna first brush up my eyebrows. And I'm gonna apply the eyebrow pencil to my eyebrows. Okay, so I finished my eyebrows. I like a natural look for my eyebrows. I never like it to look too fake or anything. I like to just put a little bit foundation around my eyebrows again, you know, just to tidy it up. Just a little bit. So that it doesn't look weird or there's any like gaps. Now I'm going to just add a little bit of concealer around my eyebrows just to clean it up a little bit and have that sharper look. It's really important just because it looks so much better with your eyebrows. It will pop even more. So I like to put a little bit of concealer underneath and at the top. I don't do this every day, but sometimes I like doing it just to make my eyebrows pop a little bit more. And it looks so much better, just so much cleaner when you put concealer at the top and at the bottom. And it just makes it look sharper and neater. So that's a great thing. My next product is going to be a NYX eyeshadow palette. It's really beautiful. It has all these lovely colors and I truly enjoy these colors. Today I'm going to use a pink and a yellow just to blend it a little bit. It's going to be really nice and soft and pretty. I believe it was 25 bucks when I got it. I'm going to use the sparkly eyeshadows. So much nicer to use on my eyelids. So let's test it out. The yellow first. Same thing to the next side. I just applied the yellow sparkly eyeshadow to my eyelids and it's on really lightly. I didn't put too much, but it's really pretty. And just off my brush a little bit. Use a little bit of the pink over it. And the pink is so pretty. It's so nice. If you can see that, it's so pretty. I'm doing it in the middle to the very end. Because then what's the point of me putting yellow underneath? So I'm using some of the pink and putting it on top of the yellow. I'm going to use the same pink. As you can see, it's so beautiful. I'm going to put it on the middle to the very end of my eyelids. So I have the yellow and then I have the bright nice pink on both sides. And next brand I'm going to use is from NYX. It's a black eyeliner, and you know, it's always nice to add that black eyeliner on when you have eyeshadow on, so it makes your eyes pop even more. So it's done. I put my eyeshadow on and I put my black eyeliner on, did my eyebrows, my foundation, my concealer. So it's looking really nice right now so far, but I'm not finished, guys. I am not done. More of a natural daily look that you would like to do sometime during the spring or summer, or maybe even fall. If you really want to have that, you know, fun look, you could definitely do this in the fall. Why not? Now I'm going to use mascara. This is from Maybelline New York, and it's a brand that I sometimes use. You know, I get it from Shoppers Drug Mart. Makes your eyelashes really bold and beautiful and longer, obviously. Don't want to put too much on. It's in my eyelashes. It looks really nice. I'm going to add some blush. I'm going to use a Rimmel London. It's a Maxi blush, powder blush. And it is almost finished, guys. As you can see, it's crumbs right now. It crumbled down to the very bottom. It kind of cracked one day and I was like, no! So anyways, I'm just trying to finish it out so that I can buy a new one and be like, hey, I need a new brand, nice looking one. But for now, I'm gonna use a different brush and I'm gonna apply it to my cheekbones. I'm just gonna dab, 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 and I like to flake it off a little bit. and then I'll apply it to my cheekbones. It's a nice soft color, which is really nice. It's not too strong and it's not too bright, so I really like it. Do the same thing to the next side. Really like it. That's why it's almost finished. The last one I'm gonna do is use baby lips for my lips. I didn't put anything on. It's kind of dry right now, as you can see. So I love using baby lips. I'm using it for years now, and it just works really well with my lips. Also, there's vitamin E in it, so it's pretty good. And it's from Maybelline, New York. The nice pink punch little color to it. And it moisturizes your lips really well. And I haven't had any irritations using this. And I like to use my fingers just to blend it in a little bit. So if you want to go outside just like this, have a really pretty, nice, soft look, it's great. Say if you want to go out for dinner or something that's more occasion or gathering, or where you just want to see someone who you've been, you know, eyeing up for a little bit, then I would like to use lipstick on top of this just for it to look a little bit nicer. But yeah, this is a really nice look, guys, as you can see. And it's nice, it's soft, it's neutral, but you know, it gives a little sparkle, gives a little glam a little bit, but I don't want it to be so much, you know, when you're going outside for a daily walk or you're running errands. Just a really nice, soft, pretty look. So this is my final look. As you can see, it's really beautiful. For now, I'm gonna use Revlon, and this is a really nice brand. It comes like this. Yeah, so it's really nice. It's a red. Now I'm gonna apply some lipstick. This is in case if I really wanted to go outside for dinner or for drinks. I'll put some lipstick on. It's a really nice red. See how it just changes the mood? Also, this is a 725 and it's called Love That Red. And I do love this red. See how it just makes my face pop even more? It's really pretty and I really like it. This is the final look if I was gonna go out for dinner. So yeah, guys. Thank you all for watching my video today. Please like, share, and subscribe. All my social media contacts are below. There's gonna be new videos every week.